Hello friend, Antony Reed here. As a hypnotist and neuro-linguistic programmer, I'm always looking for ways to hack your subconscious mind to bring you meaningful and lasting change. But over the last couple of years, I've noticed a trend right here on YouTube and on other audio and video media platforms, and it flies in the face of what we know about how your subconscious mind actually works. So I'm talking about affirmations here, specifically the oh-so-prevalent I am affirmations that are touted as the best thing since discovery of fire here on YouTube. Don't get me wrong, however, I am affirmations can be a game changer for anyone who's getting over a lifetime of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs about themselves, about money, relationships, health. But here's the rub. I am affirmations are intended to be personally recited or written down by you. They're intended for first-person use only, and they're not meant to be listened to passively in the background as a recorded outside voice. Listening to them this way may even be counterproductive or harmful. You see, your subconscious mind works literally. It knows the difference between you and somebody else's voice. Your subconscious doesn't care what your intentions are for your newly downloaded I am affirmations for manifesting abundance MP3. Your intention that the statements would be interpreted to be coming from you doesn't matter to your subconscious literal mind. It just hears someone else talking about how great they are. Just think about that. In fact, your subconscious mind may even stack these suggestions against you, taking in what it perceives as a constant stream of positives about some other person, but not about you. So just imagine this scenario. There you are, sitting quietly on a bench in a park on a beautiful sunny day, and you're here to find peace and inner resolve and to strengthen your self-image and self-esteem, to somehow feel stronger about who you are or what you can accomplish. Then along comes this random stranger. They sit down right next to you and jump right in telling you just how amazingly great they are and how much they can accomplish and how in their life abundance and joy just show up magically and they can handle anything that comes their way. They show you pictures of all the people who love them, show off their new Rolex, and point to their new sports car off in the distance. Their life is so much better off emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and physically than your own. And then, just as fast as they appeared, they take their leave without telling you anything positive about you. How much better about your self-worth and your capabilities do you feel after a couple hours of this? Now, I don't mean to give you the idea that you have no way of passively listening to affirmations that your subconscious will find beneficial and empowering. Just don't listen to first-person affirmations in the background or while you're sleeping. Do yourself a huge favor and find second-person affirmations or you are affirmations instead. They're out there and they're growing in number. And rather than feeling forced and strange when listening to them, it feels natural and empowering. That's why I refuse to make first-person affirmations on my channel. Yeah, sure, all the YouTube views go to I am affirmation videos, so I could certainly boost my channel by switching overnight. But I'm here to make the best, most beneficial, and helpful videos, not just to make the money. So why would you are affirmations work any better? Poor self-image and negative self-talk are issues that we all deal with to some extent. Sometimes we may pick it up after growing up in a very critical family environment. Faults seem to be constantly pointed out there, but compliments are rare in family settings, unfortunately. Or how about school? I mean, let's face it, kids can be horrible to each other, and I, for one, had a horrible time with this in school. And sometimes, life just throws us curveballs that we miss, so we hurl harsh criticisms back at ourselves. Or we forget to look at our strengths, and we only focus on our weaknesses. These are the programs and self-critical habits we carry with us still. But however we may have picked up these negative habits, we're all affected by them. But being acknowledged and lifted up by someone else can make a big difference and even help to dispel the negative stories we tell ourselves. Kind words of praise from the outside can overwrite decades of negative self-talk. Your subconscious mind readily takes in outside data to gauge your worth and status in the world and the tribe. This is how second-person affirmations can be used to fill in the deficiencies of the positive side of your inner scale and can even be used to steer you away from further building a case against yourself. So now imagine You're back on that park bench, and instead, a kind mentor is telling you about all the things you have going for you. They have you imagine yourself as confident and capable. You are vibrant and beautiful, and while life may throw you a storm here and there, you know you have the resilience and the attitude to shine through it all and to come out stronger on the other side. So if you want to affirm your self-image and want to give you our affirmations a go, try them on for size and experience the immediate difference in your own life.